Hey guys, hope you're having a good day today. I woke up and decided that I was just going to make a blackberry jam for my family. They love it. I haven't made it in a while, and I wanted to make like homemade biscuits. So we had homemade biscuits, blackberry jam, and I did not make my homemade butter, but I do make that sometimes. I have videos of those if you want to check those out on my YouTube channel. I have videos of my biscuits and my butter. So I want to use cornstarch, and I've got 3/4 to a cup of sugar. I have 3/4 is what I use. It's a little less sweet. You can add more or less sugar to your taste. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in the bowl. I'm adding this separate because if you were to put this in the liquid, it will clump up. Also, if you mix the cornstarch with your sugar, your granulated sugar, it will keep it from clumping. And I really don't want clumps in this. You just hate having that, and I just don't like it. I don't like the texture of it. And it doesn't look good, and it's just not as good. So we're going to use a wire whisk. And I mixed it with that because I just want to mix it very thoroughly. And I do mix it for a little while because I want to make sure that I get it mixed in so we're not clumping up when I put it in my berries. So the berries, me and my husband like to pick those. We have berries along our fence line at our house, and we also bought some berry plants, and every now and then we'll have berries on that. They don't produce very much actually. We've not had much luck with those. But we love the wild berries. The wild berries have a tart flavor, and there's nothing like it. You can buy the berries from the store, and they're great, don't get me wrong, like we like them, but they're more sweet. They don't have that tart flavor. The tart flavor really makes this jam if you have somewhere that you can buy wild berries, or if you have access to those. Of course, we always wait for the blackberries to bloom and stuff before we put our garden out every year and stuff, so we kind of watch and keep an eye on the berries. So I do have these frozen berries in a cooker on my stove. These were put in my freezer from last year. I pick them ahead, and then we just kind of wash them, and then I put those in the freezer. And then it's very nice in the winter time to be able to pull berries out of the freezer and have nice warm blackberry jam. As you can see, I put water over these. They've been cleaned and they're in water. There's just enough water to cover them, maybe about maybe like an inch over top of the berries, just so the water will cook down some. You can see a lot of foam on this. I did not put butter in this, but anytime you make jam or jelly, if you will put 1 little tablespoon of butter, like a butter slice of real butter on top of it, that foam will go away. Even when you're canning, that's great, and you can even take and skim the foam off the top. I didn't put that in here this time, but I do boil them a little while, plus the juices come out in the water, and the water cooks down a little. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm glad you all are tuning into my channel. This is a new channel. I'm new at this. I love hearing from you. What kind of jams and jellies do you all like? Do you like blackberries? Do you prefer the ones that you buy from the farmer's market, or do you like the wild berries better? And do you like your jam thicker so that you spread it just like you would spread it on like a biscuit, or do you prefer it to be more like a pourable, kind of thicker, thick, but it's pourable on your biscuits? That's the way my family likes it. They do like the other, but when I do fresh, I will show you the consistency. This is cooked for a while, and this is what it looks like. So after the berries had boiled for a little while, I did add my cornstarch and sugar mixture, just mix that in well, and I cooked it on medium heat until it came to the thickness I liked. And as you can see, this is pourable. This is what it looks like on biscuits with butter. It's wonderful. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please check out my butter video and my biscuit video also. I'll try to link that up to this video. Hope you have a great day.
I was swinging along, minding my business.